Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern block for a fitted bodice. So for this bodice you're actually going to need a close fitting bodice block, and I've done this in a video before, so I'll link that in the description below. So with this pattern you can actually make so many different fitted tops like the ones that I'll insert in this clip. So to start you're going to need to trace around your close fitting bodice block and then make sure to mark in all your notches and darts. So as you can see here, now I'm tracing around the front block. But what I've done is I've joined both the side seams together so that it's going to make one big pattern. But make sure all your notches line up together. So as you can see here, I'm marking off the hemline because we're actually not going to use this half of the block because we're making a shorter bodice. Okay, so the line that I'm now marking in red is actually going to become a dart. So I'm actually just marking this in red so that it's easier to see in the video. Okay, so firstly we're going to drop the front waistline, and you're going to drop this by 1 centimeter. And then using a curved ruler, you're going to join this point up onto the back waistline, and you're going to do this in a curved line. To create the back dart, you're going to measure 1.75 centimeters each side of the red line. So in total your dart is going to measure 3.5 centimeters. So using a ruler, just join these points to the top of the red line, and this will now be your new dart. So now we need to shape the side seam. So you're going to measure 1.5 centimeters in from the back side seam. And then using a ruler you're going to join this new point up to the top of the side seam. Okay, so now we're going to create the front dart. Now you're going to measure 2.25 centimeters each side of the red line, and in total your dart is going to measure 4.5 centimeters. So using a ruler again, you're going to join these new points up to the top of the red line. At the front side seam you're going to measure in 2.5 centimeters, and then you're going to join this point to the top of the side seam using your ruler. Okay, so now you've actually got your fitted bodice pattern. So all you need to do now is transfer the pattern onto card, and then this will be your solid block. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more of my videos like this, just hit that subscribe button and like this video, and I'll definitely make sure to do more like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!